Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Call of Duty Modern Warfare 3. First, let's cover the fundamentals. You'll want to master basic movement like sprinting, crouching, and proning to navigate the maps effectively. Practice aiming down sights for precision shots and hip firing for those intense close-range encounters. Don't forget to reload strategically to keep your weapon ready, and always keep an eye on your minimap for crucial enemy intel. Next, let's dive into weapons and custom loadouts, which are crucial for success. Experiment with different primary and secondary weapons to find what feels best for you. Customize your chosen firearms with up to 5 attachments to fine-tune their performance, improving aspects like accuracy or handling. Remember to select lethal and tactical equipment, like grenades or stun devices, and choose perks that complement your strategy, offering unique advantages in every match. Now, let's explore the diverse game modes available in Modern Warfare 3. Each mode presents unique objectives, from capturing and holding 3 control points in domination to eliminating all opponents in team deathmatch. Success often hinges on teamwork, so communicate and coordinate with your squad. Adapt your playstyle to the mode's demands. Sometimes it's about aggressive pushes, other times about strategic defense. Knowing the map layouts will give you a significant advantage. Finally, here are some advanced tips to elevate your gameplay. Consistent practice is key to sharpening your aim and reaction time. Consider watching skilled players to observe their movement, positioning, and decision-making in various scenarios. Always utilize cover to protect yourself from incoming fire and create advantageous angles. Effective communication with your teammates, using voice chat or pings, can turn the tide of any match, leading to more victories.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.